Lose pounds fast with Cabbage Soup Diet, proven results. The Cabbage Soup Diet has emerged as a notable option in the quest for effective weight loss solutions. This diet promises rapid weight loss, making it a popular choice for those looking to shed pounds quickly. The details of the Cabbage Soup Diet, its benefits, and how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. What is the Cabbage Soup Diet? The Cabbage Soup Diet is a short-term weight loss plan that involves consuming large quantities of low-calorie cabbage soup over 7 days. This diet is designed to provide a significant calorie deficit while still delivering essential nutrients. The soup is complemented by specific foods allowed on each day of the diet, ensuring variety and additional nutrients. How does the Cabbage Soup Diet work? The principle behind the Cabbage Soup Diet is simple. By consuming a low-calorie, high-fiber soup multiple times a day, you reduce your overall caloric intake, which leads to weight loss. The diet is divided into 7 days, each with its specific guidelines. Day 1, unlimited cabbage soup and fruits, except bananas. Day 2, cabbage soup and vegetables, especially leafy greens. Avoid peas, corn, and beans. 1 baked potato with butter for dinner. Day 3, cabbage soup, fruits, and vegetables, except bananas and potatoes. Day 4, cabbage soup, bananas, and skim milk. Day 5, cabbage soup, 300–500 grams of beef, or baked chicken without skin or broiled fish, and up to 6 tomatoes. Day 6, cabbage soup, beef, or chicken or fish, and vegetables. Day 7, cabbage soup, brown rice, unsweetened fruit juices, and vegetables. Benefits of the Cabbage Soup Diet. Rapid weight loss. One of the most significant benefits of the Cabbage Soup Diet is its ability to induce rapid weight loss. Participants often report losing up to 10 pounds within the week. This rapid reduction is primarily due to the severe caloric deficit the diet creates. Simple and easy to follow. Another appealing factor is the diet's simplicity. The meal plan is straightforward, requiring minimal cooking and meal preparation, making it accessible for individuals who might struggle with more complex diet plans. Detoxification. The high vegetable content of the diet aids in detoxifying the body. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help flush out toxins from the body. Improved digestion. The high fiber content in cabbage soup promotes healthy digestion and can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. Fiber also helps maintain bowel regularity and promotes a healthy gut. Nutritional considerations. While the Cabbage Soup Diet offers several benefits, its nutritional adequacy must be considered. The diet is deficient in calories and lacks sufficient protein, fat, and carbohydrates for long-term health. Therefore, it is recommended only as a short-term solution. Vitamins and minerals. Cabbage is rich in vitamins K and C, which significantly boost the immune system and promote healthy skin. The diet also includes various other vegetables and fruits that offer a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Protein intake. Days 5 and 6 incorporate protein sources such as beef, chicken, or fish, which are crucial for muscle maintenance and overall health. However, the protein intake for the rest of the week is relatively low, which might not be sufficient for those with higher protein needs. Hydration. Hydration is a critical component of this diet. Drinking plenty of water is encouraged to help flush out toxins and support metabolic processes. Additionally, consuming the soup itself provides a significant amount of liquid. The Cabbage Soup Diet is an effective short-term solution for rapid weight loss. While it offers several benefits, including simplicity, detoxification, and improved digestion, it has potential downsides such as temporary results and nutritional imbalances. It can be a viable option for those seeking quick results, but it is crucial to transition to a balanced diet afterward to maintain long-term health and weight stability.